Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best Lumino lamp, the ZBOLE 4.7-inch wooden book lamp. A creative and foldable LED mood light that's perfect for readers, gift givers, and home decor lovers alike. At first glance, it looks like a classic hardcover book. But once you open it, the real magic begins. The pages illuminate with a soft, inviting glow that wraps your space in warmth. Whether you want white light or warmer tone, this lamp delivers both options with a flicker-free, eye-protective LED design. That means no glare, no strain, just a comfortable, soothing lighting experience, ideal for late-night reading or ambient lighting. What really makes the Lumino lamp stand out is its portability and flexibility. The sleek, compact form factor, just under 5 inches in depth and less than an inch thick, lets you slip it into a bag or place it easily on a shelf. But despite its size, the lamp folds open a full 360 degrees, thanks to its magnetic spine. This magnetic design allows it to be shaped in several different ways: half circle, full circle, or a fan-like spread. It's not just a light, it's a piece of transformable art. The cover is made from real maple wood, with a beautiful distressed finish that gives it a cozy, natural feel. Inside, the light diffusing pages are made from special tear-resistant paper, giving the lamp durability and that unique, bookish, texture. The inner spine features built-in magnets, letting the lamp hold its shape while opened in any direction, whether you're setting the mood for your reading nook or lighting up a dinner table centerpiece. Battery life is solid too. It runs on a rechargeable 700 mAh nickel-hydrogen battery, giving you 6 to 8 hours of continuous illumination on a full charge. And yes, it's USB rechargeable, so whether you're powering up from your laptop or a portable charger, recharging is a breeze. This isn't just a lamp. It's a gift-ready experience. Its foldable and interactive design makes it ideal for birthdays, teacher appreciation days, or just thoughtful moments for someone who loves reading, home decor, or creative lighting. It bridges the line between functionality and decoration effortlessly. It's no wonder why this book lamp is gaining popularity. It's compact, versatile, and charming. While it's available in various sizes, the small version makes a great desk or shelf companion without taking up much space. Just keep in mind, depending on your delivery location, availability may vary, so check the listing before ordering. If you're looking for a unique lighting option that sparks curiosity and conversation, the ZBOLE Lumino book lamp is a glowing choice, literally. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a memorable gift, it's a small piece of thoughtful design that brings light, both practically and emotionally, to any space. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the most creative products out there. See you in the next video.